So I just came on my way home. So I just let me stop at the park. I didn't even know they was having a bike show in the park. Yo, this is crazy. There's mad slingshots out here. I didn't even know they was having this today. I just happened to stumble across it on my way home. There's mad bikes, slingshots, everything out here. Right in my neighborhood. They got all slingshots over here. If you look over there, they got all Can-Am. They got Can-Am spiders and stuff all the way over there. I didn't even know they was having this. This your bike?
This one here?
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I didn't even know they was having this show today.
Really?
No, I didn't even know. I just happened to be on my way home, so let me stop in the park. Wow. Yeah, shout yourself out. I'll put this on my YouTube. You got an Instagram or anything? Let them know your Instagram.
Vandella B. Look me up.
Okay. Follow Vandella B on Instagram. This her slingshot is looking real nice.
Follow me too.
Alright, I'm gonna follow you too. Slingshot game down here in the A is crazy. These custom baggers. This orange joint is crazy. I ain't into the choppers and stuff like that, but this joint is crazy. You gotta give credit where it's due.
That wheel's almost as big as me.
Yeah, man, this thing is crazy. Vanderhall. This black and pink slingshot look crazy too. Purple and yellow LA Lakers slingshot. Oh, the Kobe slingshot. Crazy. Yeah, they do it crazy down here in Atlanta with the slingshots. You got DJ Greg Street out here too. Chanel slingshot. This joint right here is sick too. Look, over here is nothing but Can-Ams. Wow, this Can-Am spider looks crazy right here. The airbrushing is crazy on there. Got the girls on the Rikers out here too.